Okay, so to get started, I just added some photos and a video to my timeline that are not properly framed. And the old way will be to select my photo over here, right click, and hit on scale to frame size to automatically frame it. But the problem with this is that in most cases, it's still going to leave some black bars. So I've always had to go over to my effects panel over here and change the value for scale and position to properly align this. But this can be a huge pain when you are working with a lot of photos or videos. So let's undo this. I can show you a new way to resize photos or videos automatically. So select the photo you want to resize, for example, and move over to your effects library and search for the auto reframe effect and drag this auto reframe effect onto the photo you want to resize. And as you can see, it has automatically reframed this photo over here. But let's say you want to reframe multiple pictures and videos. All you need to do is to select all the photos you want to reframe and then drag the auto reframe effect onto them. And as you can see, Premiere Pro has automatically reframed and resize them. And that's it, guys, on how to resize photos or videos in Premiere Pro. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you guys in my next video tomorrow.